If you shoot from your left shoulder, then the rifle industry has probably treated you like an afterthought for years. A conventional right-handed bolt can force you to remove your cheek from the stock every time you reload. Hot brass may cross your field of view. Even a badly positioned safety can turn one fast hunting opportunity into a clumsy struggle. But in 2026, the compromise is finally disappearing. For this countdown, we examined 5 rifles built around 3 very different solutions. Some use a true left-handed action. Others allow the bolt handle to be repositioned. One model sends every empty case straight toward the ground, so it can be fired comfortably from either shoulder. We rank them by handling speed, accuracy, reliability, recoil control, field maintenance, and real value for left-handed shooters. Each rifle solves the problem differently, yet only one combines straight pull speed with a fully reversible extraction system. And before we reach that winner, you will see why one of the lightest rifles on this list can also deliver the sharpest surprise. Let us begin. Opening the countdown at number 5 is the Browning X-Bolt 2 Hunter Left Hand. This is the traditional choice for hunters who want a genuine left-handed bolt action without abandoning the appearance and balance of a classic walnut rifle. The receiver opening and bolt handle are positioned for left shoulder operation. Nothing feels like a hurried conversion from a right-handed platform. The 3-lug bolt requires only a 60-degree lift. That shorter movement provides plenty of clearance beneath a large scope. It also makes the action noticeably faster than an old-fashioned 90-degree design. Browning added more guidance surface inside the receiver. The result is a bolt that tracks smoothly without feeling loose. It moves with the controlled resistance of a well-fitted mechanical part. Accuracy receives equal attention. The action is bedded around the recoil lug and action screws. The Sporter contour barrel is free-floating to reduce unwanted contact with the stock. The new DLX trigger uses a 3-lever design. It provides almost no perceptible take-up, creep, or over-travel. The trigger leaves the factory at about 3.5 pounds. It can be adjusted down to approximately 3 pounds. The top tang safety is easy to reach with the left thumb. A separate bolt unlock button allows the hunter to open the action while the safety remains engaged. A thick inflex recoil pad helps soften the rearward push of heavier hunting cartridges. Depending on caliber and barrel length, the Hunter left hand weighs between 6 pounds 10 ounces and 7 pounds 2 ounces. The current manufacturer suggested price ranges from approximately $1,260 to $1,290. The compromise appears when another person needs to use the rifle. This is a dedicated left-handed action rather than a truly ambidextrous platform. The bolt and ejection direction cannot be reversed in the field. Its conventional turn bolt is also slower than the straight pull systems coming later. That lack of shoulder swapping keeps the Browning at number 5. But for a left-handed hunter who values dependable mechanics, a crisp trigger and classic walnut styling, it remains an exceptionally refined starting point. Taking the number 4 position is the KelTec RDB Survival. This is the most unconventional rifle in the countdown. It is also the only model here that gives a left-handed shooter a completely ambidextrous semi-automatic platform without requiring a traditional left-side ejection port. The letters RDB stand for Rifle Downward Ejecting Bullpup. Its action and magazine sit behind the trigger. That arrangement preserves a 16.1-inch barrel while reducing the complete rifle to only 26.1 inches in length. The result feels remarkably compact when moving through thick woodland, entering a vehicle, or climbing into a confined hunting blind. Its defining feature is the patented downward ejection system. Empty cases travel through the stock and leave behind the magazine well. They do not cross the face of the shooter. The safety and magazine release are accessible from either side. The operating handle can also be reversed. A shooter can move the rifle between shoulders without changing the direction of ejection. KelTec uses an adjustable gas piston system to regulate bolt carrier speed with different loads. This system can also help manage excessive recoil and gas when the rifle is operated with a suppressor, where legally permitted. Trigger pull is listed between 4 and 6 pounds. That is surprisingly manageable for a bullpup because rifles with this layout often suffer from heavy or disconnected trigger movement. The survival model is chambered for .223 Remington and 5.56 by 45 mm ammunition. It accepts common AR-15 pattern magazines. Unloaded weight is 5 pounds 14 ounces. Folding sights and a collapsible stock make it particularly convenient for backcountry transport. The official retail price is approximately $870. The field limitation is chambering. This ammunition is suitable only for certain game. It may not be legal for deer hunting in every jurisdiction. Hunters must check their local regulations before taking it into the field. The downward ejection channel must also remain unobstructed. Thick mud or packed debris beneath the stock could create a more complicated stoppage than a conventional open ejection port. Those limitations prevent the RDB survival from reaching the top 3. But when compact dimensions and truly shoulder-neutral operation matter most, this rifle offers something none of the traditional bolt actions can duplicate. At number 3, we have the Savage Impulse Core Hunter. This current production model replaces the discontinued Impulse Big Game from our original research. It preserves the speed and left-handed flexibility of the Impulse system while introducing a shorter and more field-focused configuration. The Core Hunter uses a straight pull action. The shooter pulls the bolt directly rearward and pushes it directly forward. There is no separate lifting and rotating movement. For a left-handed hunter, that direct motion helps preserve cheek position and keeps the eye closer to the scope during a rapid follow-up shot. At the center of the action is the Savage Hexlock system. 6 hardened steel bearings expand into a precisely machined recess inside the barrel extension. As chamber pressure rises, the bearings are pressed more firmly into that recess. The action remains securely locked while pressure is present. Once the pressure falls, the bolt can be cycled with one direct movement. The bolt handle can be positioned on either side of the rifle. Savage also provides multiple handle angles so the shooter can select a comfortable position with sufficient scope clearance. An ambidextrous tang safety provides easy access from either shoulder. The AccuFit 2 stock system allows adjustments to comb height and length of pull. Interchangeable grip modules further improve fit for different hand sizes and shooting positions. The Core Hunter also includes an adjustable Accu trigger, a recoil-reducing limb saver pad, and a heavy sporter barrel with straight fluting. The barreled action receives a protective Cerakote finish. The bolt body uses a low-friction DLC coating. A 20-minute of angle optics rail is integrated into the receiver. M-LOK attachment panels provide space for compatible field accessories. Standard chamberings include .243 Winchester, 6.5 Creedmoor, and .308 Winchester. More powerful options are also available. Depending on chambering, the barrel measures between 20 and 24 inches. Most configurations weigh from approximately 7 pounds 15 ounces to 8 pounds 7 ounces. The manufacturer suggested price begins at approximately $1,470. The trade-off is easy to feel during a long mountain hunt. The Core Hunter is heavier than the Tikka and Browning. Its Hexlock action is also mechanically more complex than a conventional 2-lug bolt. That additional mass helps control recoil and steadies the rifle from supported positions. However, hunters who cover many miles on foot may prefer something lighter. The Savage earns number 3 because it combines current production support, straight pull speed, and genuine left or right bolt operation. But the final 2 rifles offer a better balance of weight, simplicity, and complete field versatility. Before we reveal them, tell us whether you are naturally left-handed or switch shoulders because of eye dominance. Your answer may help another shooter facing the same problem. The runner-up at number 2 is the Tikka T3X Lite left hand. This Finnish rifle earns its position through simplicity. It does not attempt to make one action serve every shooter. Instead, Sako builds a genuine mirror image platform, with the bolt handle and ejection port located on the left side. A left-handed hunter can cycle the rifle naturally without reaching across the scope or removing the stock from the shoulder. The hardened steel action uses a 2-lug bolt with a 70-degree opening angle. That provides more scope clearance than a traditional 90-degree design. The enlarged ejection port also makes it easier to inspect the action or load a single cartridge while wearing gloves. Its greatest advantage is accuracy. Every Tikka rifle undergoes factory testing to verify that it can produce groups smaller than 1 minute of angle. The cold hammer-forged barrel arrives ready to perform without requiring a lengthy break-in period. Smooth internal surfaces and the spring-loaded ejector give the bolt an unusually polished feel for this price category. The synthetic stock is light and resistant to changing weather. Foam inside the stock reduces the hollow sound produced when it strikes a branch or another piece of equipment. Interchangeable grip components allow the hunter to alter the angle of the shooting hand. Additional stock components can also change the width of the front section. Available configurations cover numerous hunting cartridges. Barrel lengths generally range from 20 to 24 inches. Many versions weigh close to 6.5 pounds. That makes the Tikka noticeably easier to carry than the Savage Core Hunter. United States pricing varies by chambering, finish, and dealer. Basic left-handed configurations commonly fall between approximately $900 and $1,100. Rautech and other premium variants can exceed $1,250. Its weak point comes directly from its greatest advantage. The light construction is wonderful on a steep trail, but it transfers more recoil into the shoulder. With a moderate cartridge, the Tikka remains comfortable and easy to control. With a powerful magnum chambering, the same rifle can feel far more aggressive. The narrow sporter barrel also heats faster than a heavy barrel during extended range sessions. The Tikka reaches number 2 because it is accurate, lightweight, weather-resistant, and easy to maintain. It is one of the most practical, dedicated left-handed hunting rifles available in 2026. But it cannot be converted for a right-handed family member. The winner solves that problem, while also delivering the speed of a straight pull action. And the number 1 rifle is the Beretta BRX-1. This Italian straight pull platform takes the top position because it does more than accommodate a left-handed shooter. It allows the complete operating direction to be changed from right to left without tools. Both the bolt handle and the extraction system can be reversed. That makes the rifle suitable for hunters who share equipment or need to fire comfortably from either shoulder. The linear action is fast and intuitive. The bolt moves directly rearward and forward. There is no separate lifting movement to disturb cheek position or move the eye away from the scope. This provides much of the follow-up speed of the Savage Impulse while adding reversible extraction. Beretta uses a rotating bolt head with 8 locking lugs for standard chamberings. Magnum versions use 16 locking lugs arranged in 2 rows. The system distributes the locking force evenly around the chamber. Its design draws from principles already tested in military firearms. Accuracy is equally serious. The barrel and chamber are cold, hammer forged from a single piece of steel. Beretta guarantees groups below 1 minute of angle with 3 certified shots. Each rifle receives an individual accuracy certificate that can be accessed online. The single-stage trigger offers 3 selectable pull weights. The range begins at approximately 2 pounds 2 ounces and reaches about 3 pounds 5 ounces. A 3-position safety allows the hunter to choose between normal operation, safe unloading with the trigger locked, and complete locking of both the trigger and bolt. The modular design also supports caliber changes through interchangeable barrels, bolt components, and magazines. The high-visibility detachable magazine holds 5 cartridges, including versions designed for magnum chamberings. Length of pull can be adjusted with stock spacers. Different grip modules allow the rifle to accommodate a wider range of hand sizes. Current United States pricing begins at approximately $1,599 for the black and green models. The ranch version costs about $1,670. The carbon model reaches $1,899. The final warning concerns cost and complexity. The BRX-1 uses more proprietary components than the Tikka. Additional barrels, magazines, and bolt parts can increase the total investment considerably. A hunter who values the simplest possible field maintenance may still prefer the fixed left-handed Tikka. But no other rifle in this countdown combines certified accuracy, straight pull speed, reversible ejection, and tool-free left-to-right conversion so completely. That combination makes the Beretta BRX-1 our best hunting and survival rifle for left-handed shooters in 2026. So which rifle belongs on your next hunt? Choose the Browning X-Bolt 2 Hunter left hand if you want traditional walnut styling and proven bolt action simplicity. Choose the KelTec RDB Survival if compact dimensions and true shoulder neutral operation matter most. The Savage Impulse Core Hunter is the better option when you want straight pull speed, adjustable ergonomics, and enough weight to control powerful hunting cartridges. For hunters who walk long distances, the Tikka T3X Lite left hand may be the smartest practical choice. It is light, accurate, and easy to maintain. Just remember that powerful chamberings can generate sharp recoil in such a light platform. But if you need one rifle that can serve both left-handed and right-handed shooters, the Beretta BRX-1 is the clear winner. Its reversible extraction system, certified accuracy, and modular construction solve nearly every problem that left-handed hunters have faced for decades. Now tell us your choice in the comments. Would you take the lightweight Tikka or pay more for the completely reversible Beretta? Before selecting any hunting rifle, confirm your eye dominance and check the hunting regulations in your area. Always follow safe handling practices and use appropriate ammunition for the intended game. If this comparison helped you, subscribe for more fact-checked rankings without the marketing noise. Stay prepared. I will see you in the next one.